Jetbrains has released Rider for Unreal Engine into Rider Early Access program. To enable, go to Jetbrains Toolbox and ensure Early Access is enabled by clicking Settings and enabling the Early Access program. In Unreal Engine 5, go to Edit, Editor, Preferences, Source Code. Ensure that Rider is selected. Next, go to Tools and refresh the Rider project. Once the refresh is complete, we can go to Tools and open the Rider project. Once Rider has loaded the project, we want to ensure that we're building our game project and not Unreal Engine 5. Verify that we have the project selected, in this case named Test2 and not UE5. Otherwise, we'll be trying to compile and build the Unreal Engine 5 project itself. Next, ensure that we have closed out our Unreal Editor. Now build our project to ensure that Rider can properly build our Unreal Engine games. To enable rich features between Unreal Engine and Jetbrains, only install RiderLink plugin in-game. Do not install the version for the in-engine, as Early Access currently has a bug that will break the build. Once the plugin is installed, we can run and play our game.